Hi everyone, my citrus twist came in, so I cannot wait to share. Let's see what this month brings us. It is the collection here at my table. That's cute. Oh, no, we're including a small conversations wood chip piece in your kit. This was due to a misspelled word on your chipboard. Oh, that's cute. Okay, let's see what we get. Okay, we get hearts, puffy hearts, which I love puffy stuff. Puffy stuff is awesome. And then we get the alphabet gold, the gold little ones, the little minis. I do not personally like this gold. This gold to me is more gaudy gold. And I know Fancy Pants has the same, I think it's Fancy Pants has the same kind of gold. So I am not sure if I'm going to keep this or put it in a giveaway. Only because I just don't prefer that gold. I know, thumbs down. You have to like everything, right? So that's what my last citrus twist video was. And it's just funny because people get so, if you don't think like them, you know, your thumbs down. So, but I just don't prefer. I just don't prefer that gold. It's okay. It's okay. Everybody has preferences, and hey, someone else will benefit from it, right? So it's not like I'm throwing it away. And this one is a food one. Oh, I like that. That's super cute. You can never have enough foodie sets, I don't think. Meh, good. You see, even this one, there's a foodie that's good. Meh, delish. That's life, people. Oh, I like that. Oh, I like this set. It's a little 3x4 set, and I like that. And then we have chipboard pieces. Stuff of life. Cute. I like that. I gotta start using my stuff a little bit more, or else I'm gonna just have a pile of of citrus twist kits. But I need to figure out how I want to use them. I just haven't figured it out yet completely. These are all single-sided. Enjoy. And a pear and an apple. Keeping good company. What was that? Spork. Take it slow. That's how I feel when I'm around sushi. I'm like, okay, don't finish it in 5 seconds flat. Take it slow. It's my favorite food ever, so it's hard. You put sushi in front of me, I'm like, oh my god. So we have, these are all the little embellished. And you're probably going to have to bring them in for my PL. I'm going to have to start using them in my PL here in this craft room, because I'm not using them, and there's so many. You get so many, which is great. So I'm gonna have to look. And you get a 4x6 card. If you don't watch my PL videos, then I'm sorry, but I'm having throat problems right now. So I don't mean to clear my throat, but it's hard to talk. And then you get cut aparts. I like fussy cutting. I'm one of those, like, has always loved it, so I don't mind it. And having those where you have to fussy cut it, I like. I like the bookmark. And these are single-sided also. The yellow, the blue, teal mostly. I like the distressed look. It's really, it reminds me of basic gray. Oh, purple. There's just not enough. We'll see. Yeah, this is like totally distressed. It's awesome. Pretty. So this kit, I believe, is $39 with shipping, I believe. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's $39. So, alright guys. Well, that was it. So we'll see you all next month. Take care. Bye.